Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a story on your TikTok account using the latest version of the app. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open up TikTok. Once you're in, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, you'll be able to see any stories you've posted. Tap on your profile picture to open your active story. Now, if you want to delete a story, tap on the three-dot menu or the arrow icon in the bottom right corner. Here I have 3 dots. I tap on it. A list of options will appear. Look for the Delete option. That is in the 3rd row. Tap Delete and you'll be asked to confirm. Once confirmed, your story will be permanently deleted. If you have multiple stories, just repeat the same steps for each one until they're all removed. And that's it. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and turn on notifications for upcoming videos. See you in the next one.